Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a trusted VPN with gaming-optimized servers and stable ping. Once installed, grant background data and auto-start so the VPN stays active during play. Make sure you close Bgmi fully. This forces the game to detect the new network state. Then select a nearby server in the target region to reduce latency. Choosing a city server rather than the country often helps. Finally, toggle any kill switch off for now, so the connection flow remains continuous. Once connected, you need to configure for performance. Pick a server with the lowest ping and test using a ping tool. Then switch the VPN protocol to UDP for faster, more stable packets. Many apps label it OpenVPN UDP or WireGuard. Use split tunneling to route only Bgmi through the VPN. This reduces overhead and keeps other services local. After the VPN reports a secure connection, verify your IP and DNS have changed. Restart Bgmi so the game initializes on the VPN network. You finish by confirming gameplay stability. Enter a training match and monitor in-game ping and hit registration. If matchmaking places you in the wrong region, switch to a closer VPN server and relaunch the game. Make sure you avoid frequent region changes to reduce account anomaly flags. If something breaks, first toggle the VPN protocol. If that fails, clear Bgmi cache and relaunch. As a last step, try a different nearby server. Most issues are fixed by a protocol change or choosing a lower latency node.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.